It was a normal Thursday morning in Mfoleni until it wasn't. Within seconds, a young woman's life was stolen in hail of bullets. No robbery, no suspect, no justice, just another name added to South Africa's growing list of women lost to gender-based violence. The morning of 12 October 2025 began like any other in Mfoleni, Cape Town. Streets slowly came alive with the motion of everyday life. Children heading to school, taxis honking in the distance, and people making their way to work. Among them was Bongiwe Nzuzo, a 31-year-old woman known for her radiant smile, her strength, and her dreams of building a better life. As Bongiwe walked to work, an unknown person approached her. Without warning, gunshots echoed through the streets, more than 10 rounds fired mercilessly. When the noise stopped, her body lay still, her bag, a phone, and a wallet remained untouched. This was not a robbery. This was a message written in bullets. Another senseless act of gender-based violence that has become all too common in our country. Neighbors rushed out, screaming her name, but unfortunately it was too late. Bongiwe succumbed to her injuries at the scene, and once again, a family was left shattered. Friends remember her as a kind-hearted and ambitious woman, a sister, a daughter, a colleague, and a friend who deserved so much more than violence that claimed her life. It's been weeks since that horrific morning, yet no arrests have been made. Another case sits in the shadows, waiting for justice that may never come. Every name, every face, every woman taken by violence is a painful reminder that South Africa is fighting a war within itself. Women are dying in their homes, on their streets, on their way to work. Places that should be safe have become hunting grounds. And while families mourn, the questions that continues to echo across the nation is how many more lives must be lost before gender-based violence and femicide are finally declared a national disaster? On the 21st of November 2025, we will no longer stay silent. We will march, speak, write, and demand justice, not only for Bongiwe, but for every woman whose voice has been silenced by violence. Her story is not just a tragedy, it is a call to action. May Bongiwe Nzuzo's name be remembered not as another statistic, but as a symbol of resistance, resilience, and the urgent need for change. They took her life, but not her legacy. Bongiwe's story reminds us that silence protects no one, and change begins when we refuse to look away. Let's make sure her name is remembered not with tears, but with action. At this point, all we can say is rest in power, Queen. Your light lives on in every woman who refuses to be silenced. And with that being said, we have come to the end of today's video, and I will see you on my next episode.